2024 Mazda RX-9. As recently reported, Mazda has a mid-size rear-wheel drive car platform and Skytech X inline 6 in the works for the next Mazda 6 sedan. To amortize development costs, that new platform will have to underpin other vehicles too, including the next CX-9 SUV. But the platform is not Mazda's only trick up its sleeve. We know 48-volt mild hybrid and plug-ins are in the car, and this latest patent filing shows Mazda is considering revolutionary in-wheel electric motor powered by a capacitor, and the high-tech hybrid setup could be destined for a future Mazda RX-9 coupe. But how does Mazda plan to drive the wheel with such tiny motors? The in-wheel motor and capacitor operate at a higher voltage than the rest of the car. Higher voltage means a motor should be able to make the same power as a lower voltage motor at lower current, and lower current means wiring and windings can be smaller. According to the patent filing, this all contributes to a compact, lightweight, e-AWD solution. But as our technical editor points out, an in-wheel motor will not have the same torque advantage as one located at the end of an axle because leverage. To accommodate the different system voltage, 3 inverters are used, including one attached to the main drive motor between the engine and the drive shaft. That 25 kilowatts permanent magnet Sharon's unit is powered by a 48-volt 3.5 kWh lithium-ion battery pack and can drive the rear wheel alongside or in place of the internal combustion engine.